What have we got here? Don't know. Front's coated in a sticker. Looks like a remote control. Says Air Mouse, Android TV, PC, Smart TV, projector, something, all in one PC. 2.4 gigahertz, I presume, 3D Air Mouse and wireless keyboard. 6-axis internal sensors, support motion sensing, games, mouse on-off, infrared, remote control learning, up to 10 meters, low power reminder, features, no. I'm sure these will be needed. But I'm not going to get into that. Oh geez, how are we going to test this? Power there. USB-C, I think. Is it? No, that's the old style USB, little triangle thing. I don't know, do I even need that? All these other things. So it says rechargeable. Plug this in. I don't know. Is this working? Well, that's working. Alright. That's interesting. It also works as a mouse, like that. So you flip it over, the mouse stops working. But the keyboard works as a keyboard. It is literally an air mouse that is working. I'm moving the little cursor around. Oh yeah, that'll work. That works. Volume. Don't know what that's gonna do. Ooh. That literally turned my laptop off. Okay, let's hope it just put it to sleep. So that's pretty cool. Apparently it'll work on the TV as well. But I will get to that at another day. I don't know, this is pretty cool. I'm going to leave this plastic on so I don't scratch it. Or should I take it off? Take it off, you say. Take it off. Just lift it on. It's a crappy sticker. Why is that there? Doesn't belong on there. Oh yay, look at that. Who puts that on? Oh, silly. What did they put that sticker on there for? Oh, it's slowly coming off, but I'm not happy with that. That was just silly. I'll put that on there. Anyway, I'll clean this off slowly in my own time. And that's quite a very nice remote. Links down below. Go take a look and buy it.